my dear esteemed guests and subscribers. It is me, of course, the master of NFTs, LL here at your service. And today we're going to be talking about this new NFT marketplace that I found out about yesterday called NFTrade. And you may wonder, well, what is so different about this? Why should I stop selling at OpenSea and try NFTrade instead? Well, the thing is, this website actually supports 4 different blockchains: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and also Avalanche. So 4 different EVM-based blockchains are being supported on this website. And there's no marketplaces out there that really support more than 2 different blockchains. OpenSea, which has been in the game for so long time, only still supports Ethereum and Polygon, and I think also Clayton now. But they had all of this time to basically start supporting all different blockchains. And maybe there's another one that supports Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, but basically 4 different blockchains. That is a lot of different chains that are being supported, and I also believe they are going to be adding more chain as more time goes on. And they also have one very interesting feature here on their platform, which is called swapping, where I can basically swap my Binance Smart Chain asset for something in Polygon. So cross-chain NFT swaps, that's pretty, what I would deem as pretty next level. It's not something that I've seen. NFT swaps in together are something that you don't really see that much. I mean, I think there's 2 websites or something that can do that right now. But let's kind of explore a bit of the platform itself. So there's an account page which basically shows activity, your swap offers made, trade offers made, and also trades offers received. And there's 4 different blockchains as we discussed. There's also my NFT tab. Now, based on my personal scavenging, there are certain assets which are verified on the platform, and some of them, like here you can see, a couple of these assets here are not exactly like showing up. There's no images. That could be due to the fact that these are 3D images, and some of them are unknown contracts. And there's also some other NFTs which are not listed here that I own on my Binance Smart Chain account. But then again, if I swap back into from Binance Chain to Ethereum, and we're going to be refreshing the website, and then we're going to go back into my account here. Let's see my NFTs. Let's see if we can go through this way. Okay, it's still showing Binance Smart Chain. Let's go back. My NFTs, and now I can see all my Ethereum assets. And the Ethereum seems to be working out for the most part. There's a couple of hiccups here, there, and there, but also overall it is working as it basically should. And here's some unknown contracts as well. Those are delisted assets. And basically I can access all my NFTs, or most of them, on one website. And that is a very nice thing overall, because, well, I don't like to go into every different marketplace to sell my assets. It would be nice to being able to track at least majority of them in a one website. Obviously, the volumes and the basically how many people are using these ordinary platforms are obviously smaller, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be staying that way. For example, I think they have a pretty good grip hold over AVAX ecosystem, because there's not really any global marketplace for AVAX right now, at least on my current investigations. So this is probably a very good place to sell your AVAX assets. I'm going to be showing how it's basically done. So here I have a couple of these Hatchet Pockets, AVAX stars also. I'm going to be trying to sell one of these. I think this one is the least one that I like out of these. So list for sale, and this is basically 0.9. I guess there's going to be similar price threshold here for the similar asset, I guess. But I know that the price floors are going to be increasing, so I'm going to be putting it for 1.5 AVAX, putting that approval button, and then there's going to be a pop-out. And obviously all of these chains are at your command on the AVAX blockchain, and that means that, on the MetaMask, you can just easily just swap the network and then voila, we can basically start listing all of our assets in the NFTrade ecosystem like from the get-go. So that is pretty good thing. They also seem to have a verification system, which is very important to me because there's a lot of scams that happen on OpenSea, for example. I've been a victim of them twice, actually, in the past 2 weeks, and I've lost over 1 Ethereum on them. It's very unfortunate, but overall, what I'm trying to say here is verification systems are very important. Who gets the list, what assets are, approved, and etc. And also, we talked about the swap, so I can, once again, I can swap asset for something else in here on the marketplace if I want to AVAX punk or something. I don't know how popular these are, but these can be ways for you to deal with your friend, okay? You are going to be sending him this asset, and he's going to be sending that asset in return. So that's very nice. There's a lot of very good filters in here, blockchains and everything that you can be setting out on sale, price, a lot of good things here to filter out everything. Not only that, there's also farms available on this platform, which allows you to basically deposit certain tokens, and basically with these tokens you can purchase different types of NFTs on the platform. I guess there's some type of applying process to basically get listed. Let me actually pick up another one. So here, for example, I got these cool shoes, and you can get these by farming the token basically. And that's like you basically stake your tokens, Rosé Finance, and then you can redeem these shoes, and that's pretty nice utility there. And there's Shield Finance, Sphere, there's a couple of these. Some of them have already ended, but overall, like, I think this is a very nice utility also for your tokens. Hopefully in future they're going to be having some type of NFT staking also available for selected series out there. I think the marketplace interface is pretty good, allows me to filter out things pretty fast. Also, seems to be also moving. The website doesn't seem laggy. OpenSea to me always feels like, this is kind of slow. But I'm not going to make this video any unnecessarily longer. It seems pretty neat. And there's a couple of customization things. You can add your name and pictures and emails for trade notifications, so you want to know when somebody sends an offer to your NFT on the platform. But this is something you definitely should look into, especially I think AVAX probably, AVAX users probably going to be using this a lot because I think this might be the go-to-go marketplace for them. But I'm going to wrap it up here. In case you want to send me some NFTs, tokens, here are some donation addresses. Make sure to subscribe and like, follow me on Twitter. You can also join my Telegram and Discord communities where we generally actually talk about a lot of NFTs, which sales are going to be coming next, so people can participate and anticipate which are the next big things launching. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video.